究竟大馬有冇刪除佢哋唔中意嘅留言，或者 block 觀眾嘅帳號？不如聽下佢哋自己點講。
啲人又係咁樣發瘟過，你又想我收你皮嘅，真係你係咪想我收你皮啊？
你梗係冇聽我哋講嘢
啦！嗱，你係想你自己收皮定我收你皮？如果你唔快過我 delete 咧，我就封鎖你呢個人㗎啦。我俾10秒鐘時間你，1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10，好啦，你已經從此喺我頻道消失啦。
咁佢哋曾經刪咗啲咩留言呢？
I think is a bit rude to use your own language to communicate when the driver didn't understand. Yes, he was really rude. He was even more disrespectful during the live stream and even belittled Malaysians. We now see the true colours of this couple. This is not the first time he started berating the local audience. Many times already. Recently, he was hospitalised. In the hospital, he berated the locals, who asked for his opinion on fuel price for citizens and non-citizens. The way he responded was too much and hurt the feelings of the locals. I personally think he is getting fed up of staying here. He and his family need a change of environment, maybe back to where they come from. Yes, illegal Android TV box can fine up to 200,000 ringgits. Please ensure it's not illegal. Hi! Please take note that TV box is illegal. Only legal boxes are Astro and Unify. If you are caught by the authorities, you will lose your MM2H. Don't play with fire. Grandiose delusions. We want to withdraw as your member. Every month pay you 30 ringgits. Hate Malaysia so much go back law can sing song Beijing Huanying Ni. I'm sorry, just unsubscribed your YouTube channel. We supported your channel because we like your two beautiful son, very handsome and innocent. But for you to post something like that is just too much for me.
呢個醫生真係超有耐性咯。坦白講，好似主播老公咁問長問短，早就被趕咗，被 stop 問咗，真係好唔客氣啊！佢老公今日唔鬧馬來西亞咩？冇香港人，馬來西亞咩都唔係，點解仲喺度買車返去大陸買啦？師媽喺小紅書，你係咪有個視頻唱衰馬來西亞嘅點點滴滴？我都睇到啦，我懷疑係黑佢哋嘅頻道，仲俾嗰啲人鬧粗口，希望斯巴可以反應。雙面夫妻壓心之極，無恥之徒，人前人後雙面膠。我喺小紅書同埋 TikTok 咧，一路見到斯巴鬧衰馬來西亞嘅影片，咁我都係坐等博主回覆。係最近喺小紅書裏邊唔一路喺度鬧馬來西亞咩？睇咗小紅書個影片，真係好難過，又要鬧我哋馬來西亞，又要享受我哋馬來西亞嘅公共設施。如果真係咁糟糕，乾脆返香港或者大陸啦。你哋嘅影片喺小紅書發爛渣，唱衰大馬，你哋承認嗎？做個 YouTube 博主一定會有好同壞嘅批評。睇到咗幾個壞評論就拍咗個視頻，大罵全部大馬華人。咁咧就即係師媽咧仲喺旁邊加鹽加醋，叫你哋食屎咯，叫佢哋一家回香港去啦，假面具咯。
你會發現大多數嘅留言只係希望佢哋澄清一啲疑團，甚至只係好中性嘅問題或者簡單查詢。最近佢哋喺小紅書爆紅，因為佢哋曾經喺2025年7月1日喺一條長3小時11分24秒嘅直播中，不但痛罵馬來西亞，仲侮辱大馬華人。但係佢哋將呢一條直播片秒下架，並且唔承認有呢一條片。呢條片嘅精華片段出現喺小紅書，有觀眾喺佢哋直播時留言，問佢哋啲片嘅真偽，亦問佢哋有冇侮辱大馬華人。睇下大馬點樣做。
將使用者設為停用狀態，少少。OK， 停咗佢啦，OK 得。好啦。